to Seven Trumpets Prepper. Guys, in this video today, I'm going to be reviewing some antibiotics and some things that you can get for your family. Now, I'm not giving medical advice. I just want to let you know that you can go to this resource and get a professional medical, doctor taking care of you. You give, I went over, submitted a form. And then when I went over the form, I picked out what medicine kit I wanted to take and get. And then you go through answering the process and everything, and then you pay for it, and then it comes out to you, okay? And let me open this up real quick. This is from OZIO Medical, okay? And I think during this winter season, this is prime time to be covering some medical preps. And this, I thought it was ironic. I was like, that chest table is really nice lighting to do this in my office. And I was like, man, not only that, but when it comes to when stuff really does hit the fan, you are playing a serious game of chess with your life, and you do not want to lose. And it's the little stuff that can get you. And right here, guys, sorry, just give me just a second. This box is really that good and tight. Right here is the info that came with it. Thank you for your OZIO order fulfilled. And right there, information about the pharmacy and information if you need to call. And this right here, you can put everything inside of that. That's nice. Now, this is the things that I got, okay? And this kit, I will put the link in the video description below where that you can go and see this complete kit. They have massive size kits, okay? This one is $200, but they have very, very large offering on medical, and links in the video description for that. And if you use that link I sent you to go through, there's a link that can take you over to that from the website here on YouTube in the video description below. But right here is bismuth, okay? And some of these I was trying to read up on. Some's for nausea, some is for antibiotics, etc. Let me see what this one is. Silicoix. I can't really pronunciate that, but I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to put what these are in the video description below and what it helps, okay, on top of the info that you can get over there. But this right here is loperamide. I swear I'm terrible with pronouncing medical stuff, but let me see. Doxycycline. All right, there's an antibiotic, okay, 100 milligram, okay, and like I said, this is doctor-approved stuff. You can see right there, it's out of Utah. And then right here, we have Banafin. Like I said, I know some of that's for nausea. Some of it's for various different things. Metronidazole. I'm terrible with these names, okay? And then there is, here's for mucus relief. Does it have it wrote on it what some of this stuff is for? That one does, okay? So this one's for mucus relief, 1 tablet by mouth every 4 hours as needed, right there. And then right here, we have some more doxycycline, okay? It's helped me in the past when I was messed up. And then here we have some ondansetron. And then we have some cephalexin. Okay, I've took this in the past. That's antibiotic. And metronidazole. I'm wondering if that's another antibiotic. I'll have to look it up. Because now, see, mine won't have amoxicillin in it because I can't have amoxicillin. So, like I said, this has been tailored to my needs. But the kits that you can get from them, they have a lot of variety. And I'm going to tell you, folks, like, it starts out with a little scrape, a little cut, and a little septic and infection. And the next thing you know, you're 6 feet deep in the dirt. And my medical, I'm looking at one of my medical tubs over here right now. Like, there is just stuff everywhere. I try to keep stuff everywhere at the farm. And even in my vehicle now, like the first aid kit has everything from EpiPen to you know, like darn Benadryl to tourniquets to you name it. Definitely going to have to throw some antibiotics in there too, but there is a variety that you can get from OZIO. And I am not a medical professional, but I will just say this, is that I can't tell you the times that, especially this time of year, that you get sick and you need antibiotics. Outside of anything else, that you just need antibiotics. And the ability to do this, you know, without having to leave your house, going to the office, you know, and it can be very private. I think that's really first class. And so, guys, links in the video description below if you want to check this out. I think that this can be an absolute lifesaver for families, and the ability for me to pull the trigger and have this on hand when I really desperately need it, I think is just world class. And so, guys, as always, till we see you again here at 7 Trumpets Prepper channel, make sure to check link in video description below. And I hope the Most High Yah baruch you and keep you, make his face shine upon you, show you favor, and give you shalom, my friends, in Yahushua name.